Welcome back for another rundown of the finest tech articles from GizChina that you might have missed through the week. This week I've put together some of the most exciting stories that'll keep you at the cutting edge of tech news. And before we go any further, please remember to hit the subscribe button. It'll keep you up to date with the latest tech news from GizChina. And without further ado, let's get into it. Learn how to say goodbye to storage issues with Google Photos and Gallery. Explore our guide to unlocking the full potential of these powerful tools for managing and storing your precious memories. Say hello to unlimited storage and seamless organization with Google Photos and Gallery. Learn all about it in the linked article down below. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest Xiaomi HyperOS update, now rolling out to two popular Redmi phones from 2021. Dive into our covers to learn about the new features and improvements introduced in this new update. Experience enhanced performance and functionality with the Xiaomi HyperOS. Learn all about it in the linked article down below. Unlock the full potential of your iPhone with hidden features from iOS 17.4.1. Join us as we uncover the secrets of Apple's latest iOS update, revealing hidden functionalities and shortcuts that enhance your iPhone experience. Stay informed and make the most of your iOS device with our insightful guide. If you're curious to get the most out of the latest iOS update, check out that linked article down below. Experience peace of mind with Android's Find My Device network settings now going live. Discover how this game-changing feature enhances the security and tracking capabilities of Android devices. Stay connected and safeguard your device with Android's Find My Device network settings. If you're curious how to set that up, then check out that linked article down below. Experience groundbreaking photography with the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra, featuring a special main camera that's the first of its kind. Delve into our in-depth coverage to learn about the innovative technology behind Huawei's latest flagship smartphone. Capture stunning moments like never before with the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra. Learn all about it in that linked article down below. Discover how the battery of the Redmi Note 13 Pro compares to the iPhone 12 Pro Max, according to DxOMark. Dive into our deep analysis to learn about the battery performance and endurance of these two smartphones. Make informed decisions about your device based on our comprehensive battery comparisons. If you're curious to learn which one comes out on top, I'd check out that linked article down below. Enhance your Android experience with our selection of top hidden features that streamline your device usage. From productivity shortcuts to customization options, explore the hidden gems that elevate your Android experience. Stay tuned for expert tips and tricks to unlock the full potential of your Android device. And if you're curious how to do just that, then check out the linked article down below. Experience the innovation of Xiaomi's up-and-coming smart ring, boasting up to 180 days of battery life. Dive into our coverage to learn about the features and functionalities of this innovative wearable device. Stay connected with style with Xiaomi's up-and-coming smart ring. If you're curious to learn more about its features and its huge battery life, check out that linked article down below. Once again, thank you very much for joining me on this week's Tech News Roundup. Which story caught your attention? Don't be shy and share your opinions down below in the comment sections. And before you go any further, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can keep up to date with all the latest releases from GizChina. I'll be back next week once again for another rundown of the finest tech articles from GizChina, and until then, thank you.